Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Speaking of enjoying everyday life for less, we are officially entering into graduation season. And this year, I wanted to do a nod to when I first started and how I used to share tips and tricks with you all the time on how to throw parties on a budget. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 8 essential brand new graduation items that you need to be picking up for your graduation party at a Dollar Tree near you. So without any further delay, let's hop right in. First off are these gorgeous mirrored 2025 signs. I absolutely love these. They are the glitter and then they have the mirror in the middle. They look so high end, and definitely they don't look like they only cost $1.25. I love, love, love them. They also have them in the silver and in the gold. Highly recommend these to add onto the table. You can also add these into the dessert area, and you can place them like maybe on a gift table. You can place them next to centerpieces. So many different uses for these, and coming in at just $1.25 each. These definitely fit our Lux for Less bill. Next up are these beautiful Grad Cups. They have the rhinestones at the bottom that say 2025 and the grad cap at the top. I think these are so cute for graduates. These would make great favors if you're doing like a graduation party and you're going in with several seniors and doing a party, or it would be good to add into the gift basket of the grad. But at just $1.25, like who can resist that? Such a great price and good quality. This cup definitely checks off that Lux for Less box. By the way, all the items that I'm sharing with you all today are brand new items. I've never seen these in a Dollar Tree before. And if you love tips and tricks like this, I would love for you to join my Lux for Less community here on YouTube. And so I'm going to leave the information to join right here below in the description box and also in the first pinned comment. So definitely let me know if you are interested in joining. I will be sharing lots of tutorials over there. I do a live once a month answering any questions that you all may have. And there are so many other benefits to joining our private community. So if you would like to join the Lux for Less community, definitely check out the description box, the first pinned comment, or this link below. Next up is this grad sign board. I absolutely love this because this is a great way for people to be able to sign in. You can also frame this later on, and it also stands on its own. It has a stand in the back of it. And so this is a great alternative to a guest book, and I thought it was so cute, and definitely it fits that Lux for Less bill. At our church, we love to honor graduates, and we like to give, scholarships from our church. And here is a beautiful frame. They have these now in the gold and also in the black. They look so rich. And again, they come in at just $1.25. And this is perfect for putting in a certificate or framing their diploma or even scholarship. I think this is great for giveaways, especially for ministries or organizations or groups, or if you just want to make a copy of their diploma and put it on display at your event or graduation party. I think this is such a great way to be able to display it in a very elegant and cost-effective way. Was the very first time I saw this one also in the Dollar Tree. It is the Grad foil centerpiece kit, and if you see there, it spells out the word grad, but it also stands on its own. So I've already put one together. So this one is a G. It's in the gold, and I don't know if it's going to stand on the sofa, but I'm going to try. So if you see that, It stands on its own on the table. I see so much potential with that. I think it would also be really beautiful, not only on a tabletop, but on a buffet or a fruit table or a gift table, to just spell out the word grad. I just think it would really take your event or your graduation party to the next level without breaking the bank. And speaking of next level, I went to a half dozen Dollar Trees looking for new graduation decor. And when I came across this one, I was stopped in my tracks. This one is a 2025 graduation banner. But the beautiful part of it is that this is sequins, y'all. It is like a fabric. It's felt on the back. I could not believe this price point. And it is absolutely gorgeous for just $1.25. And so it has the graduation hats that go on each end, but this would be perfect, the perfect addition to your arch backdrops or your regular backdrops for your grads to take photos if you're doing a photo booth. I could not believe that price point, and it is the perfect banner to add in to your decor to bring that entire graduation look together. Now, I thought about using it against a shimmer wall. You could use it against an arch backdrop with the covers, a tiara wall, a greenery wall. There are so many different backdrops that you can use this for. And I am going to leave a link down below of some really inexpensive backdrops that I have found and put into a collection on Amazon. So you could definitely check that link out and let me know what you like. And oh my goodness, I almost forgot one. I also found this really super cute Congrats Grad cake topper. And I think this would also be perfect to add into a really simple cake. You can get it from maybe Sam's or Walmart and add this Congrats Grad cake topper in it and just really elevate it and take it to the next level. So definitely add this one to your list as well. And last but certainly not least, I found these gorgeous mirrors, you guys. I don't know if you've seen these in Hobby Lobby, but look, these they have like the cards and gifts signs on them, and they are the exact same size or very, very close to the ones in Hobby Lobby. But look, these are only $125. So I'm going to take my Cricut and monogram this one that says, welcome to the graduation party, or, cards and gifts, or bless the grad, or whatever, whatever slogan or whatever you want to use. But these come in at just $1.25. And if you have been calculating all of these pieces, we had the banner, which was one. Well, let's start. The mirror was number 8. Then we had the banner at number 7. We had the grad word centerpiece at number 6. We had the graduation certificate at number 5. We had the graduation sign-in book at number 4. We had the graduation cup. I think this was at number 3 or 2 maybe. And then we had the gold and silver 2025 at numbers 1 and 2. And so I thought these were some excellent items that you could add to your graduation decor for the 2025 year or beyond. And so you guys let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite Lux for Less decor piece? Was it the grad word? Was it the 2025 glitter numbers? I mean, this just looks so elegant. What was it? Let me know down below. And also let me know what school your graduate is graduating from in the comments so that I can extend a personal congratulations to them from myself and from the Lux for Less family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to bring more content. I have so much more exciting content to share with you all. I am finishing up a very busy season. I'm going to take a break for a few months, and I'll be able to catch up on all of my content. And then we're going to pick back up in late summer, early fall. So Hopefully over the next few months, I'll be able to get all these videos out. I am so far behind, and a lot of the content I'm going to combine together so that you all will get to enjoy each and every wedding and event that we have been up to here at Melanie Turner Designs and Events. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to consider following us by clicking on that follow button, also, or subscribe button. And also we post videos at least once to 2 times a week. And so definitely check us out. We have a plethora of information here on the channel if you're interested in home and event decor. And I will see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.